Green World presents tropical flowering plants. Welcome, my friend, to Green World of tropical flowering plants. In this video, I will show you how to select a good pineapple and also to prepare and store them. In this video, I have also discussed some amazing health benefits of the pineapple, how I make pineapple juice, and also the canned version of the sweetened pineapples too. Amazing health benefits of pineapples. Pineapples have been celebrated for centuries not only for their unique taste but also for their miraculous health benefits. Pineapples, the sweet, juicy and delicious tropical fruit enjoyed by many all over the world. They are second only to bananas as America's favorite tropical fruit. Pineapples are eaten fresh, juiced, cooked or preserved. Now, the question is how to select a good pineapple. Look for pineapples that are heavy for their size. There is usually no difference in quality between a small and large size pineapple. Pineapples stop ripening as soon as they are picked, so choose fruit with a fragrant, sweet smell at the stem end. Pineapples should be free of soft spots, bruises, and darkened eyes. All of this may indicate that the pineapple is past its prime. Avoid pineapple that smells musty, sour, or fermented. If we need to keep fresh pineapple fruit longer, we can wrap it in a plastic bag and store it in the refrigerator for a maximum of 1 week. We can also preserve the cut fruit in heavy syrup just as they do in canned pineapples. Pineapples can be cut and peeled in a variety of ways. The first step is to remove the crown and base of the fruit with a knife. To peel the pineapple, place it base side down and slice off the skin. Carve the eyes out with a knife. Once the rind is removed, cut the pineapple into the desired shape and size. You can also use a pineapple corer to prepare the pineapple. While they provide a quick and convenient method for peeling and coring pineapples, they often result in a good amount of wasted fruit. The pineapple corers often cannot be adjusted for different fruit sizes. Unlike other fruit juices, fresh pineapple juice is so sweet that often no sugar needs to be added. In fact, the only substance that is usually added to store-bought pineapple juice is ascorbic acid, which is vitamin C, to preserve its color and flavor. Pineapple juice is loaded with health benefits. An 8-ounce cup of fresh pineapple juice has only 130 calories, rich in calcium, magnesium, vitamin C, and iron. The health benefits of pineapples: boosts immunity and improves blood circulation, reduces inflammation of the joints and muscles, helps heal wounds and protects against infections. Pineapples are the only major dietary source of the bromelain enzyme found in high concentrations within the core and stem. Bromelain acts as an anti-inflammatory and anti-swelling agent. It is often recommended to be taken before surgeries to speed healing time and decrease inflammation. Bromelain is also useful for treating sports injuries including sprains, cuts, and can help dissipate bruising. There is an abundance of the enzyme bromelain within the stem and core of pineapples. These are the parts of the fruit that are the most inedible and hence usually discarded. We can always use these discarded parts to make fresh pineapple juice. With a juicer, the core and eye wedges of the pineapple fruit can now be made into fresh pineapple juice. In this video, using only 2 pineapples, I was able to extract almost a liter of juice, so you don't have to throw these away next time. In this part of the video, I will now show you the steps in which you can preserve pineapples at home easily. This is a sweetened version similar to store-bought canned pineapple. Prepare the pineapple by removing the core and cutting according to desired shape and size. Begin by placing the pineapple pieces into a large stock pot and pour water over until completely immersed. Cook the pineapple, stirring occasionally. When the pineapple pieces changes color to translucent, add a cup or 2 of sugar according to taste. Simmer for another 20 minutes, then cool. Store the cooled pineapples with the syrup in a clean and dry glass jar in the refrigerator. This preparation can last you for a month. When I made it the first time, I was surprised to discover how easily we can make this canned pineapple version at home. Though I love eating fresh pineapples, but eating large amounts of it causes the tongue to be sore and painful. This is due to the presence of the bromelain enzyme in raw pineapples. Amazing pineapple! Be a pineapple! Stand tall! Wear a crown! And be sweet on the inside, like a pineapple! That's all, my friends. Thank you for watching and subscribing to my channel. See you